Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. If you're using Monday to manage your projects or tasks, knowing how to set up a fresh board from scratch is essential for keeping your workflows organized and efficient. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll want to go to your workspace on the main screen. This is the central hub where all your boards and ongoing projects are displayed. Once you're there, take a look at the left pane of your screen. You'll see a blue plus button. This button is your gateway to creating all kinds of new content within Monday, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the blue plus button, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Board. This tells Monday that you want to create a new board rather than adding something else like a folder or a dashboard. It's a simple but important distinction that directs the platform to open the board creation wizard. Now you'll be prompted to type a name for your board in the board name field. Choose something descriptive and relevant to what you'll be managing. For example, if you're organizing a marketing campaign, you might name it Marketing Campaign Q1. A clear name helps you and your team identify the board quickly as your workspace grows. Next, you'll need to select the privacy setting for your board. You'll see three options: main, private, or shareable. Main boards are visible to everyone in your workspace. Private boards are only visible to you and people you invite, and shareable boards can be accessed by anyone with a link, even if they're not part of your workspace. Think about who needs access and choose the option that best fits your needs. After setting your privacy preference, you'll see a drop-down menu asking you to choose what you are managing. This helps Monday tailor the board layout and features to your specific use case. For example, you might select projects, tasks, or even CRM depending on what you're planning to track. This step ensures your board starts with a structure that makes sense for your workflow. Finally, click the Create Board button. Monday will then generate your new board and take you directly to it. You'll notice it comes with some default columns and groups, which you can customize later to fit your exact needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a new board in Monday.com and you're ready to start organizing your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.